Get acquainted with the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. Aim higher than ever in the all-new Silverado pickup, the truck that digs deep to give you more of what you want and need. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, locking limited slip differential, rear-wheel drive, stability control, running boards, side steps, split bench seat, tow hooks, diesel. Feel confident and relaxed in the all-new Silverado. Take it out for a road test and fall in love.